What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carvinson Reg, and welcome back to my channel. Man, if y'all new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and watch all my other past videos. But today's video is gonna be a little different, man. I did a little riding in the hills, a little POV shots, also a little vlog. I did, today, and I met these two guys. They both have Infiniti Gs, and we was just riding back to back together. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll check back in with y'all when the video's over with. Crazy ass day. I just met up with some two VQ owners. He got the white one.
Yes, sir.
And then he got the black one. And then you got a Benz.
Yeah. I got that shit right now.
Told him to bring it. He didn't want to. Fuck it.
He just did some donuts in his black one. He did a little something too. I wish I could slide mine, but y'all know I got the all-wheel drive one. But it is what it is.
Fuck it,
Yeah.
you feel me? Turbo that bitch, and you got the GTR, the four-door GTR.
Hey, pretty much, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much. Bro got the Q50 rims on his. He just murdered his all the way out. It's clean. Diode dynamics.
Come on now, bro. That smoke didn't come from nothing, bro. God damn.
He said, "God damn." Okay, he gonna do something for the camera, y'all. He gonna do something for the camera.
I'm gonna try.
I didn't influence him. It's all good, brother. You gotta get a feel for it. You gotta get a feel for it. It is a tight street though, I ain't gonna lie. It is kinda tight down this street, y'all.
Hey, bro, that motor dies down lovely.
One more time.
Have that nigga jail busted or bleeded. How did you run it? That's that clutch, bro. Yeah, that's the end of fucking still.
Wait, so what happened? It's fucked up?
It's not that it's fucked up, it's just they did this to me last time, but right now it's just giving out. What?
Damn.
Clutch? It is? Not like giving out, but like every time if I rev it and I start releasing, it'll get caught halfway and it'll just, that's why you hear it going, and not going nowhere.
Yeah.
The clutch is in, it's not allowing me to.
Yeah.
I think, I mean, like you said too. I mean, it's the space. The space is hella small versus the big roundabout right there.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, space is small. This is like you got to be like some some Jensen shit to do some shit like this.
I don't have to put the clutch in all the way over there. This one I really do.
Yeah.
That's not it. J-Bum, that means that's you. You gotta try it, bro.
Hell no, bro. My shit finna grip, bro. I already tried it, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm fucking around and total my shit, bro. I'm thinking about it now. Like I'm tempted, but I'm like, nah, it's not even. You know what I mean? It's not even that one.
I don't do it if your shit's already fucked up. I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro, finna go crazy.
He could have just kept on going with it though. I don't know why he didn't. Sorry about that.
Cars, and then you got I know. His tire is good because those motherfuckers stick.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm mad you didn't just shoot off with it. You just stopped.
Shit, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice one.
Yeah, that's how it was easier than I thought.
It is, huh?
Did the two little things and record it, you know?
It's hard. It's this little space right here. Like, you really gotta have bars. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. You know, something different. That was my first POV drive in the Infiniti. If you guys like videos like that, let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? If you guys like videos like this, if y'all want me to do more stuff like that, please let me know. I could definitely get that done. Also, I want to shout out to the two guys that was in the video. I forgot their names already. Instagram link will be down in the description. Shout out to you guys if you're watching this video. I'm pretty sure we're gonna record more legendary content, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and then I'll see y'all in the next one.